In this video, we're going to learn how to make an object hollow using Tinkercad. We're going to do it a real easy and efficient way. All you have to do is grab the object you want to make hollow. Let's make a dome hollow. So we'll just pull this over here. So I've got this dome. First I want to do is check the dimensions of this dome. This one here is 20 by 20, and then its height is 10. So it's 20 by 20 by 10. So I want to make this hollow, but fairly thin on the sides. That's my goal. And I'm going to make it clear, but we'll leave it like this at first. So first thing I need to do is make a duplicate copy. So I clicked on the original, and I click over here to duplicate. Then I'm just going to use my arrow keys to move that duplicate over to the side. Now remember, the dimensions are 20 by 20 by 10. This is 10. And now I just want to make this duplicate slightly smaller than the original. So I'm going to make this one 9 by 19. And notice I just clicked on the dot or the square, and then I am changing these numbers. That's the easiest way to do this. So this is slightly smaller than this one. Now the duplicate, the smaller one, I want to make that into a hole. So I'm going to come up here, instead of being the solid color, I'm going to do hole. So now it's a hole. Good. So now I'm going to put these things together. The easiest way to do that is just make them touch like this and highlight both. Now that they're both selected, I'm going to come over here to this little tool. This is the Align tool. And when I click it, I get these dots. I want to align it this way, and I want to align it this way. Now they're totally aligned. Now I want to group them together. There we go. So they're grouped together. Now if I were to look at the bottom of this, there we go. It is completely hollow. And I can test this if I wanted to by turning it over. So let's do this. I'll turn it over. I'm just going to click on this little angle thing here, and I'm going to change this to 180. That's turning it 180 degrees. So now I have a hollow bowl. I can actually do this with any of these objects as long as it's regular sides that are easy to manipulate and to manage. Just make a duplicate, make that duplicate slightly smaller, make the duplicate a hole, merge them together, and then you have a hollow object.